our new beloved P-47s. A ship that always came back was being swapped for a P-51. Those frail little pieces of tin that flew through the air and flew apart. In November, P-51 training ship ministry was understandably interested, decided to modify it and adapt it as a light bomber. And thus was born the Blenheim. Deliveries were to number 114 Squadron near Huntingdon, March 1937, where it replaced the Walker Hyde Light Brigade. When war was declared on the 3rd of September 1939, there were more Blenheims in service, nearly 1,100 of them, than any other aircraft type, and some of the earliest RAF actions of the newly declared war involved Blenheims Mark IV variants. It was a number 139 Squadron Blenheim from Whitton, flown on a reconnaissance sortie by Flying Officer McPherson. That was the first British aircraft to overfly Germany after war was declared. And the next day, there was 107 and 110 squadrons from Wattisham carried out Bomber Command's first raid of the war, attacking the German fleet in port at Wilhelmshaven. The losses were grievous because what had been a very rapid performer just a few years earlier was now somewhat outclassed. Nonetheless, they fought on heroically. Their exploits were legion. Their time on the Blenheim was pretty short. They started converting to Spitfires in the spring of 1940. Proudfoot then, bringing in the aircraft restoration companies. Blenheim 1F and concluding a very nicely flown, very memorable Mercury formation.